All right, good morning and welcome to this video tutorial. My name is Raphael from spreaddigitals.com, and in this tutorial, I'll actually be showing you how you can increase the size of your website to accommodate more uploads. For instance, let me show you what I'm actually talking about. Let's go to library and see if we can access the size. Usually come with 512. Now see the maximum upload size is 512 megabyte. This is the size you can actually upload, the size of data or files that you can actually upload to your website. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can actually increase this particular guy to 10 gig, 20 gig, whichever size that you want to. Okay, so without wasting our time, let's dive into action. The first thing we need to do, once in your dashboard, just scroll down and click on plugin or hover over plugin, click on add new. Okay, in this plugin section, type in big file. Okay, let's wait while it pops up. Okay, this is the plugin that we're going to use to achieve that. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is to click on install now. You can see somewhere here it is actually indicating that untrusted with your version of WordPress. If you recall that WordPress just upgraded their listing to 6.1, okay, version 6.1. So, and this guy was actually updated last 3 months. So, in case if you see this, to me, I don't see it's working with my own. So, I don't think that would be a big issue. There was no update it. I trust them. I've been using them for some years now, and it has been working for me. So the next thing you need to do is to click on install now. Okay, after the installation, click on activate. Okay, it has been activated. So the next thing we need to do is to go to the installed plugins, which is here. You can see, look at this is the plugin we just installed now. Big file uploads. So click on setting. You can see this is the maximum size that came with WordPress. Okay, so what we need to do now is to increase it here. Customize by user role. You can do anything you want to do with it. When you click on this customize by user role, look at, you can actually set a particular bit megabyte that an editor that actually share your website with you can actually upload. An author that actually share your website with you can upload. Okay, you can give them the maximum size of megabyte they can actually upload. You can set it to 1 gig, 2 gig, 10 megabyte, 20 megabyte. Okay, so let's go to the admin. This is the admin section. So what we need to do now is to increase this guy. Let me say I want to make it 10 gig. Okay, I'll change this guy to gig. Okay, okay, this is 10 gig. Okay, this is 10 gig. I'm going to decide to give this guy 1 gig. Okay, I have an editor, then an author. I'm going to decide to give author. 1.5 gig. Okay, so once I'm done, I can actually click on save changes. Just play around it. You can see how they work. You can increase this guy to 12 gig. Okay, you can see this is 11 gig. I'm going to leave it at 12 gig. Okay, now once you are done, click on save changes. Okay, remember you can actually click on this guy to, if you want unlimited size, actually click on this guy to purchase the premium version. Okay, now we are done. So let's go back to media, click on add new. Now you can see instead of the 512 that we saw earlier, what we have here is now 12 gig. Okay, so basically this is how you can increase the size of your website. I hope this video tutorial was helpful. Please, if this is the first time you're coming across my channel, kindly do me that favor by clicking on that red subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload videos, you'll be notified. To be honest, I do my best to upload quality videos, and also welcome your comments. If there's anything you want me to do for you, any help you want me to assist, kindly drop a comment, or you can actually visit my site, spreaddigital.com, and I'll be glad to help you with that. Once again, thank you and God bless you.